Welcome back. Honoring hard work and commitment. The Society for Science named 52 dedicated teachers as recipients of the STEM research grants. Now, these teachers are furthering hands-on science learning in classrooms. That's throughout the nation, and this grant only furthers that mission. We're joined this morning by both of those recipients, and that is including Nate Rayner, a science teacher at Mescalero Apache School, along with Sergio Torres, an instructor at NACA. Gentlemen, it is great to have you with us, and we're going to be finding out more about the work that they are both doing in the classroom and what it means to receive this amazing grant. Again, gentlemen, congratulations. It's great to have you both with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're going to go from left to right here. So, Nate, let's talk about yourself and your career in teaching.
Well, I currently teach at Mescalero Apache Reservation School. I've been there for 13 years, and I teach all sorts of science and STEM activities, and been associated with Society for Science for about 13 years now, working with them and receiving this grant further our capability of teaching STEM to our students on the reservation.
Yeah. How about yourself, Sergio?
So I'm a scientist by training, and I've enjoyed carrying out pharmaceutical as well as biotech research for about 30 years. I started teaching college at CNM, and now I'm part of the Native American Community Academy, teaching environmental science as well as biology. So we do project-based learning, looking at our land-based learning and healing collaborations, as well as with New Mexico Tech to look at water quality and medicinal plants as projects for our students.
Wow. And so you both received the grant, but in different ways, right? And yours was more
Equipment-wise.
Okay.
We have the society gave us like sensors and air quality, sensors and water quality kits that we can do tests on the reservation. One of the biggest issues on the reservation is air quality during the winter months because of mainly they use wood burning stoves to heat their homes. So the air quality is, we want you to make sure that for our elders that the air quality is okay for them. So those sensors come in handy in testing air quality on the reservation.
How about the grant that you received, Sergio?
So we received $5,000, and I am in the process of getting a thermal cycler, which is the ability to amplify specific DNA. It's a PCR machine. So we're going to be using that to look at pathogens in water samples, as well as some genetic markers for plant medicinal purposes, as well as anything that can be amplified genetically.
Wow. How important is it that these schools here for Native Americans in New Mexico, that these grants are received there?
Well, for us, it further help us to bring the STEM activities to kids who normally wouldn't receive this type of equipment. The Society for Science has been truly amazing in that aspect in helping us bring STEM activity to our schools, and our kids get a chance to actually use these sensors hands-on and going outside, and also helping their community. So it's very important that they receive grants like Sergio and I have received, and furthering the STEM impact on native land.
Yeah. How about for students at NACA?
So yes, underserved communities kind of have limited exposure to westernized type of approaches to learning, and by having that equipment in our lab, we can analyze a variety of samples, as well as gain interest and exposure so that they can consider a STEM career, and the Society for Science does advocate.
All right. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.